Friend, today in this video we will let you know that how you can simply create unit of measure in Odoo. So before creating unit of measure in Odoo, you first need to create unit of measure category. So let's see how you can create unit of measure category. So you will start typing unit of measure. So it will give you the result of unit of measure. So I am selecting unit of measure categories. So here we have already available of 6 categories. Now for example, if I want to create a new category of pieces, so I'm just creating a new. So here I can say pieces, and I can save this one. So now the unit of measure category is created. Now I can provide some unit of measure under this category. I will click here and I will add a line. So if I say pieces is the reference unit of measure, so I would say the ratio would be 1. And now if I say that, for example, dozen will be the second unit of measure, and I would say that it should be bigger than the reference unit of measure and it should have the 12 of ratio. So I can select this one, and now I can save this. So once I save this, we can see that these two unit of measure are created. And if I go into the sales configuration and see here into the unit of measure, so I can see that the pieces unit of measure is created and dozen is also created. So previously it was created in units, so we have just created again under the category of pieces. So basically this is a way you can simply create unit of measure categories and unit of measure in Odoo. So stay tuned with us for more videos. Thank you.